now the COVID-19 pandemic is the focus of the whole world. People pay much more attention to the public health than ever before. Meanwhile, the long-standing shortcomings of the public health system have been exposed through the pandemic. Today, the experts from WHO, Medical and Health fields are going to discuss how to modernize the public health system and the global cooperation. Jointly explore the future of the development of the medical and health industry.
Hong Kong is willing and ready to play a pivotal role in promoting better understanding of global health issues, in pursuing research excellence and medical innovation to tackle some growing health issues, and in matching businesses with trade and investment opportunities in the Asian region. Above all, we believe advances in health and life sciences will benefit mankind. I sincerely invite you all to join us here in Hong Kong to create an exciting future.